$1 million house. We got the $1 million house, $1 million tree. This fella right here, he's got to come down. We're tying off to this maple. We do believe it's a smooth bark hickory. It's getting a remodel job. And this tree is causing problems. And they're adding a story to the house, so it's got to go. And this is a 100-foot tree. 100-foot smooth bark hickory. It's leaning back over the house. It's got some heavy limbs going over the house. And we need this to fall down this hill. This is a pretty good grade too. And we're tying off to this tree here. See if you can see the grade of this hill down here. Yeah. That's gonna be pretty wild. Well, I'm in charge of the throw string. Gotta get this up there, gotta get this rope up there, gotta get it tied off. I'm in charge of the ropes, the pulleys, the string. Throw bag, gotta get that up there. That's about a 70-foot throw there, huh? Alright, see what we can do.
Almost. It's pretty windy. I'm just watching it blowing the wind. Well, there's no control. There it is.
You got it?
Got it.
Oh, you got it! Beginner's luck. Nice.
I'm just good at horseshoes. I thought the next one up.
So much noise around here. Wind? I don't know. This is getting iffy real bad, real fast. Alright. Time to hook up. Alright, that one's ready to roll. Alright. As you can see, there's a back lean. And there's this limb we're really worried about. A lot of weight there going back. We were calling it a day. The winds are supposed to be opposite tomorrow. Right now they're blowing this way. Tomorrow they're blowing that way. The tree is pretty big. About 3 feet across. Oh yeah. We're hoping she lands. We got this here. Dips here, dips down the hill. It's gonna be a doozy. Well, we're worried about this one. Got the ropes tied, and we got it tied to the truck, pulling. Yeah, she's got a back lean, a side lean. Ah, everyone's on edge with this one. Where's she falling?